Alex had it all planned out. After a month at the Lego factory, his first paycheck was finally arriving. In his head, he'd already spent that $1,000, a new speeder bike, and a room makeover. His boss handed over the envelope with a grin. "Welcome to the real world, kid." Alex tore it open. Gross pay, $1,000. Perfect. But then he saw the bottom line. Net pay, $715. The smile vanished. 30% of his hard work had simply evaporated. Alex burst through his front door and slapped the payslip onto the table. "I've been robbed. I worked 40 hours and they took nearly $300. His brother Max didn't look surprised. He just slid a soda toward him. "Breathe, man. That first paycheck shock is a rite of passage. The money didn't vanish, Alex. It just got redirected. You have to understand where those bricks are actually going." Max pointed to the biggest deduction, tax. "Think of Lego Town as one giant team," Max explained. "You need smooth roads to get to work and hospitals if you get hurt. Tax is just your team fee. It's the price of admission to a town that functions well enough to pay you a salary in the first place." Alex slumped in his chair. "So, I'm paying for the roads I biked home on?" Max nodded. "Exactly. And the park where you eat your lunch, and the fire station down the street. Look out the window, Alex. Every brick that isn't part of someone's private house was likely paid for by a team fee, just like this one. Without it, your Lego factory wouldn't have electricity, and your boss wouldn't have a way to ship products to customers. No team fee, no game." Next, Max highlighted the retirement line. "This one is a gift for future Alex. Right now, you're strong, but one day you'll want to sit on a beach. This money earns interest on top of interest. If you spent it on a pizza tonight, it's gone. But leave it there, and those small bricks will grow into a castle. Your boss even chips in extra pieces for free. It's a guaranteed head start on your future self." Finally, they looked at insurance. "Remember Jake?" Max asked. "He couldn't work for weeks after an accident. This small deduction covered his bills while he healed. This isn't a fee, it's a shield. It means one bad day at the factory won't ruin your life." Alex looked at the slip again. They weren't thieves. They were the infrastructure and the safety net that allowed him to work without fear. Next payday, the shock was gone. Alex felt a strange sense of pride. He knew his team fee was paid, his future fund was growing, and his shield was active. He stopped comparing his life to the gross number and started building a life with the net number. He ordered the smaller pizza that night, feeling more secure with $700 and a plan than $1,000 and no clue. Months later, a shiny speeder bike finally sat in Alex's garage. He hadn't bought it with a frantic burst. He'd bought it brick by brick, after his fees and future fund were handled. That first crumpled payslip was still pinned to his wall. It wasn't a reminder of money lost. It was his first real blueprint. He realized the gross number was a dream, but the net number was a reality he could build on. The gadgets in Lego Town still whispered for his attention, but the paycheck shock had no power. He'd learned the secret the factory floor never teaches. You don't get rich by looking at the big number at the top. You get rich by mastering the one at the bottom. Next time you get your payslip, take 30 seconds to actually look at the breakdown. See if you can spot the tax, the retirement fund, and the insurance. Instead of seeing them as missing pieces, try looking at them as the price of the game we're all playing. It's the team fee for the city, the shield for your bad days, and a gift for your future self.